Okie dokie, she's all done here, guys. We're back with the 959. I don't know if anybody caught that previous video I did, initial checkup, and just showing what it was doing, the way it came in. I thought that was kind of interesting, being that it, I wanted to definitely show him that, being that he just had it somewhere else. So I just thought I'd make a note of the way it showed up. Alright, I'm going to show you the inside of it, show you the work done. I have a clip showing that. Alright, we got the lid offer. We'll check the inside. I moved the echo board over to here. It was back here originally. And I like keeping it away from any of the RF that generates back here. You know, you have your AM regulator, modulation transistors back here. You got your finals over here. So just put it up front. And then I reconnected your power wire and negative wire that was going off the main DC jack back here. And then we got the limiter replaced. That is right here. Okay, if you could see that. Let me zoom in here quick. That transistor there. And then, yeah, normal bulletproof upgrade package, heavy duty power wires, ferrite, RF ferrite chokes, AM regulator back here upgraded, modulation transistor here. This cap, that's for your feeds your 8-volt regulator. That feeds your main, well, actually the main DC supply feeds this, which then feeds the radio. Got your insulators pulled off, checked. This one here was cracked. Got that replaced. Got everything resealed with the red sealant here. And then, yeah, fresh heatsink compound on everything over here. All the ICs that are chassis mounted, audio chip, voltage regulator. Loctite your SO239, Teflon antenna wire, all that good stuff. A couple other caps and resistors that I change out for normal tuning. And got it tuned for the SRA 198. So let me get the lid back on her, and we'll go over the rest of this radio. Alright, here is the now calibrated transmit frequency up on 27205 here. Okay, whoops. Give it a key. And 27205, there it is, 20500. So switch there, 20499, 20500. Alright, so we know she's dead on now, calibrated transmit frequency with the 10 megahertz reference oscillator. So we are good to go. Okay, we're on channel 20. We got the RF power all the way down. We're going to check AM first. Just going to check carriers, and if I have to adjust anything for your RM Italy. Now, you said you wanted to have the RM set on low, RF power low, and then to run the amp right there where it bottoms out on low. So I'll double check to make sure that's good. When I hook the amp up, I could go in and make an adjustment. But as of right now, we have it set here. Let's see. And I turn the talk back off. So right now it's set about a little over a watt, 1 watt. Okay, all the way up, looking at about 3.5, 4. Okay, like I said, if I have to adjust that, I will. Here's average power. Oh, I got to turn the mic gain up. Hello. There's from about 2 watt carrier. Hello radio, 1, 2. Okay, you can already start seeing what it's doing for peak. It's doing really well, even with that limiter back in now. I retuned it with the limiter in. Show you what she's doing. Her power up, mic gain up, audio check break, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and both meters are lining up exactly at that 42 mark, 41, 42 mark, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, both meters are really agreeing with each other on the peak wattage on this one. And okay, what else did I want to show? Oh, sideband. So yeah, If you guys remember, sideband was extremely low for some reason, and they got it straightened out. Seemed like a tuning issue. Sometimes that happens if you just focus on AM when you're tuning and not remembering about sideband, and also a couple other little things. So we'll just check that now while we're still in peak. Now sideband, definitely turn up, even with an amplifier, turn up your RF power all the way up, because that's going to control your sideband output. And your audio will sound like crap if your RF power is turned all the way down on sideband. So for sideband, RF power all the way up. Mic gain all the way up. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5 when I talk like this and just talking like this. 1 2 3 4 5 radio check. Break. Excuse me. Okay, so she was doing right around that 30 mark, a little less than AM, keeping it clean. That's usually how you have to set them up. I mean, every radio is different, but usually with these, the sideband comes out a little bit less. All right, let's see what it sounds like over the air. We'll leave it on sideband, I guess. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Audio check. Break. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. Break. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. Break. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Oh yeah. And I'll just show you that your clarifier is unlocked. I don't know if that volume's up enough for you guys. I'm just gonna that out of the way too. I'm just gonna run the clarifier here to show you. Audio check. This is what I'm talking about with an unlocked clarifier. If your transmit gets out, you can get your transmit back in. Everything's tracking together, and then we're back at center right here. 1 2 3 4 5, and then if we go the other way, you can hear it go like this, and yeah. So let me get this centered back up here, and yep, right there. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. Break. And we'll go to AM. This is with the echo off. Oh, I gotta put it to AM on this radio. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Audio check. Break. How about it? Let me turn the echo on here. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. Break. 1 2 3 4 5. How about a radio check out there, breaker 19? Okay, so that's all good. And okay. So that's pretty much it there. Let me show it on the scope here quick. Get off the monitor channel. Oh, and I have my, look what I did here, guys. I got myself one of the speakers that came in. So I got myself one as well. So I practice what I preach. I think they're a great speaker. I'm running one myself. Alright, we're on AM. Okay, now we got to gotta get this. Let's see, I'm not on the right thing here. And whoops, get this. We got about 2 divisions here. Okay. I'm going to put the audio on. There we go. Zoom in a little bit. Try to clear this up for you. Okay, there she is. Really nice asymmetrical waveform there. Beautiful. Alright. So that's that. And then what I'll do is I'll get it hooked up for the receive spectrum analyzer. Alright, there's 5 megahertz span here. Right there. Key into it. Hello, radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, here's 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 30. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 60. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that's that. We'll get hooked up to the receive. We're going to start with the receiver sensitivity measurements, SINAD. So 12 dB we're looking for the sensitivity standard. 114.5. And right here, 11 and change, almost 12. And if I go to negative 114, it's a little over 12, so that's why I'm at 114.5. And yeah, that's better than I'd say probably 90% of other radios. I've said it before, these radios pretty much have the best ears out of any of the radios that come across my bench. And that's a 12 dB signal right there. We'll turn it down. And sideband. Let me show you sideband actually, because that's even better. So, okay. And so that puts us at negative 18. Or I'm sorry, not negative 18. 18 dB SINAD at negative 114. So now I need to dial that. Back some, and looks like we're going to be 127 for this girl, and right there. Okay, and actually I could actually move my clarifier a little bit and get it even a little better, but yep. All right, so she's all good. I'll let you hear that as well. Okay. And I know it'll bottom this thing out as far as it definitely on sideband. You know, this thing goes to 137. I'm sure we'll still hear it. Yep, easily. So she's got ears, and then we'll go back to AM once more. And oops. What did I do? Yeah, mine. Okay, I took it to channel top. We started on 19. Yeah, I'm not realizing what I'm doing here. I'll go like 120, 128 for AM. So yeah, it's in there too on AM 128. Sorry about screwing up the RF generator there. Forgot what the heck I was doing, but. Alright, let's get that amplifier hooked up. This thing's all ready to go. Alright, we're back here. We got the amp hooked up now. I just adjusted your RF power to run the amplifier all the way to the left. Okay, so when you want to run your amp, just turn this all the way left. When you want to run sideband, turn it all the way right, like I said before in the other part of the video. So yeah, this thing's working fine, no problems. You didn't blow it up, you didn't overdrive it. You know, just from looking at the numbers here, everything's looking good. So it could be a power cord issue. Now you were using this. Now this stuff, I know exactly what this stuff is. This is the Workman stuff that I have. I've run it before, and I actually run it off my distribution box. And it's fine for lower current stuff, but it's not like something like this that actually has you know, AWG rating on it, an actual, you know, wire gauge and a voltage rating and everything like that. That's no the other stuff isn't labeled or anything like that, so it's not meeting any kind of requirements. So this stuff here, this is marine tinned you know, pure copper wire. Alright, so let's just get into the numbers here. I'll show you what it's doing, show where I have it set for a key. Now generally with these on 6, that's where I have this amplifier set. I just I just run these right on high. So I'm not going to go through all the levels and settings. I'm just going to, it's on high, it's on AM. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug on the left, so we're reading the bottom scale. Turn the mic gain down. Should be doing right around 70 watts. Yeah, 71 if you look at the red there. 71 and about, it's showing, yeah, it's hard to tell on the bird, but it's showing about the same, 70 watts. So like I said, I wouldn't ever go more than like 75 watt carrier on these. So 70 is perfect. And then I'm going to put the, excuse me, put the mic gain into it. And put the peak kit on. Where's 500 watt slug. And we'll check it out, see if our numbers match. Audio check break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're hitting 300 watts. How about it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's with the SRA 198. Right here. And I'm going to go to sideband. Turn my RF power all the way up. I'm going to hit the sideband switch on the amplifier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and excuse me. Your new RF power setting now. Let me turn the amp off. RF power all the way down, AM. I believe it's right about 1 watt, but we'll just verify it here quick. We'll see how much drive we were putting into it for that 70 watt carrier. So I may have somebody that asks me. And turn the mic gain down, turn the peak kit off too. Yep, 1 watt. So these are low drive, 1 watt. Alright, that's it. Yeah, let's see if we could get anybody out there for a radio check. Yeah, how about it there? 1-9 radio check. Break. Turn the talk back off. Hey, break channel out there. Anybody tell me how this radio is working? Yeah, how's this sound? Okay? Okay, copy that. Appreciate it. Yeah, thank you guys for the comeback. Yeah, we're getting out and we got about we got like 9 pounds of noise right now. Hey, how about it out there? Anybody got a copy on 2030? Keystone State, 2030.
Breaker. It's a homage list out there. Anybody got a copy on this buckskin here in the hills of Tennessee? Made a buckskin here around Music City trying, right?
Yeah, Buckskin, we got you there, Tennessee. Hey, Buckskin, you made it to the Keystone State. We hear you. Hey, break out there, Skip Land. How about it there, Skip Land? Anybody got a copy on this little mud duck station here in the Keystone State? 2030 Keystone State we're trying to get through.
Heard you, 2030 in the Keystone, 181
Hey, 181 Indiana, appreciate the comeback. Yeah, you got the Radio Garage here, Pennsylvania, the Radio Garage. Just waving a hand.
Full Raji on the Radio Garage, waving a hand right back.
No, wait a minute, you're out.
Yeah, I got the video rolling here, so you'll make it onto my next video, so I appreciate the comeback. How's the audio on this thing? Yeah, how about you there, Indiana? You still got a copy? How's the audio on this thing?
Got a good copy. Audio sounds great. 181 Indiana.
Yeah, 181. Do appreciate the flowers, and appreciate you hanging in there and coming back one more time. So, gonna get out of here. Got some more work to do, but have yourself a good one, and we'll catch you another time. 2030. We're gonna be on the side.
2030. That's my Raji. 181 off the key.
All right. So she's working good. Got a little skip in there even. So that's it for this one, guys. Appreciate everybody tuning in and checking out what I did here to this Galaxy. And Mr. Samuel, got yourself a good setup now. You're all ready to go. And if you end up getting a different amp, I think you were talking about you were getting an amp built for you possibly. You know, just I don't know where that amp is going to like to be run with your RF power and whatnot, but as far as this one, you're all set all the way to the left. All right, so Radio Garage, we're going to get up on out of here. And also too, before I forget, now I'm going to be going on vacation after this week, so I'll be gone for a few days. Okay, so if I don't get back to anybody, I'll be back like Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. And then, excuse me, what I'm going to try doing is to keep up with emails and everything. I'm going to have my wife get back to you guys. Okay, she's going to be handling the emails. So if something seems off, I'll have her sign her name when she responds. This way, you know, it's not me responding back. But yeah, you know, if I can't get to you guys right away, it's going to get forwarded to her, or I'm not really sure how it's going to work. But she's gonna try to help me out, just because I'm you know, get buried real easily, and I want to probably take that notice down after that I have on the website about mail-ins after I get back from vacation, possibly, or soon after. So this might be a way to at least free up some of that email keyboard time and stuff like that. So, all right, guys, that's it. We'll catch you in the next one. Radio Garage, we're off the key.